everyone. We did the behavioral inattention test. My name is Darkishan.
I'm Sierra.
I'm Sam. The purpose of this test is for occupational therapists to identify unilateral neglect and how it impacts a person's daily occupations.
It tests everyday skills that identify capabilities and limitations of visual behavior.
On this page, we have many lines pointing in different directions. Follow my pen as I indicate these lines. Now, with this pen, I want you to cross out all the lines which you can see on this page like this. This page contains many letters of the alphabet. Look at the page, and every time you see the letter E or R, cross it out with your pen. Try not to miss any of the letters, and when you're finished, put your pen down. This page contains stars of different sizes. Look at the page carefully. This is a small star. Every time you see a small star, cross it out like this. I would like you to go through this page and cross out all the small stars without missing any of them. On the left side of the page are 3 simple drawings. I want you to copy all 3 as well as you can in these boxes over here. Copy the drawings that you can see on this page. There are 3 lines on this page. Take each line and divide it where you consider the center of the line to be.
Here is a blank sheet of paper. I want you to draw freehand a large clock face. Put the numbers on the clock and set a time. Next, draw a simple drawing of a man or woman. Finally, I would like you to draw a simple drawing of a butterfly. This is a picture of a meal on a dish. I would like you to look at the picture carefully and then name and point to those major items you see in the picture. Do not miss any of the items and be careful to point to and name each item you see.
Hot dog, potatoes, lettuce, celery, tomatoes, cheese, carrot, and cilantro.
This is a picture of a wash basin and toiletries. I would like you to look at the picture carefully and then name and point to those major items you see in the picture. Do not miss any of the items and be careful to point to and name each item you see.
Shampoo, shaving cream, soap, toothpaste, toothbrush, eraser.
This is a picture of a large window flanked by sun-dry items. I would like you to look at the picture carefully and then name and point to those major items you see in the picture. Do not miss any of the items and be careful to point to and name each item you see.
Basket, wheelchair, cabinet, chair, stool, a locker, a desk, 2 vases with flowers, window, curtains, and another cabinet.
Here we have a telephone. Would you please dial some numbers for me? Now these ones. And then these ones. Here we have a menu. I would like you to open it and look at it carefully. When you are ready, I would like you to read out slowly all the items you see on the menu. Make sure you do not miss any of the items.
Tomato soup, pork chop, shepherd's pie, jam tart, ice cream, coffee, grapefruit, ham and egg, fried haddock, cheese, biscuits, apple pie, tea, hamburger, salad, milk, apple tart, sandwiches, roast chicken, lamb chop, turkey, veal, boiled eggs, and melon.
Here's a short article from a newspaper. Please read it out loud, slowly and carefully.
If government plans to reform the Social Security system, go ahead in their present form. They could put the clock back to the harsh tort law. It appears to the deliberate government policy to make it so difficult and humiliating for some people to claim state benefits that many will go without rather than submit. Here we have a digital and analog clock. Look carefully and tell me the time set, please.
12:50, 3:35, 11:55, 2:25, 7:40, 8:40.
Okay. Now here is a clock face. Listen carefully and then set the hands on the clock face for the times I call out. 8:40. 7:40. 2:25. 11:55. 3:35. 12:50. Here we have a selection of coins which I would like you to look at. There are 3 rows altogether. I am now going to call out various names of coins, and I'd like you to point out to the coin or coins I name. Be sure to point out all the coins for each type called out. Quarter.
Quarter.
Penny.
Penny.
A dime.
Dime.
A nickel.
Nickel.
I would like you to copy an address that I'm going to place before you. Please copy this address carefully as you can. Now, I'd like you to copy this short sentence again as carefully as you can. Here we have a view of the road system. Note at each junction A, B, C, D. I would like you to use your fingers to travel between the letters on the map that I will call out. For example, B to A, B to C. Please travel from A to B to C, and B to E. Here's a selection of playing cards. What I would like you to do is to point out the cards as I call them out to you. 10 of hearts. King. 8 of spades. And queen.
Here is a blank sheet of paper. I want you to draw freehand a large Test everyday skills that identify capabilities and limitations of visual
Great!
This is Opal. She's not included in the test.